Levels of testing in software testing, a detailed view. In my previous video, I talked about integration testing in software testing, and that was the second level of testing. So if today's your first time, kindly click on the subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell in order to keep getting latest updates each time I drop a new video like this. So today we are going to be looking at what we call the system testing, and system testing is the third level of testing. So in our car example, remember, you need to go back into the previous videos like the unit or component testing and also the system integration testing before coming to watch this video, for you to have better understanding of what has been said about levels of software testing. So in our car example, we can start to look at the overall function, right, behavior, and even performance of the car. When examining the car as a whole, it is system test level. Alright, so remember we talked about the car having a brake, having lightnings, having an engine, having a battery, and other parts of the system of the car. Now, how well does all the car parts function together as a whole? How does the whole car, respond each time a part of the system is being operated? Okay, what is the performance of the car? Is the car giving a good performance in terms of speed? Is the car responsive when the brake is being used? Is the car functional as expected, right? Looking at the car as a whole, right? Examining the car as a whole, how good it is, how effective it is what is called system testing in software testing. So the software testing, we begin to look at the whole system, all right? That is when we are talking about system testing. So system testing looks at the behavior of the software system as a whole, like the end-to-end or overall business processes. Okay, maybe you are building a financial application, right? You look at the processes, workflows, you look at how the system function in order to find as many possible defects as you can, right? Either you are doing unit testing, either you are doing integration testing, either you are doing system testing. What you are doing is testing, and the purpose for everything is to find defects, right? Is to find defects, to find what is not working well so that they can be repaired or fixed, right? That is the essence of all this level of testing. But each level of testing has a specific objective. Just like the system testing is testing the end-to-end or the overall business process, right? And also the function to find many possible defects that are logging in the system. All right, so this testing level is done to determine whether the software is ready to be shipped, right, to the users for acceptance testing. So the purpose of system testing is merely to determine, okay, now we can take this system to the client or to the users so that they can also do their own testing before we can, be done with the project. It is often specification driven and can include both black box and white box test techniques. So when I say specification driven, for every system that is being built, there is a requirement. There are specifications to which the software system is built. So when we are doing system testing, we are doing it in accordance to specification. We are trying to see whether this system actually matches the specification that is required or that are required. And there are test techniques like the black box and the white box test techniques that are being used in this system testing level, right? So the black box, specification driven, white box test technique, and every other test technique will be discussed in later videos, right? So that will be all for this video, and thank you for watching.